Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin. So I installed the WhatsApp like 2 minutes ago. Now the app welcomes us. Now simply click on agree and continue. You can allow to send a notification. Now you need to type your phone number over here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So give me a second. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, simply click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on allow all. And as you can see, we had looking for backups, and now we have restore your chats. My backup was made 5 minutes ago. You also got the size and the account on which backup was made. Also, please remember that when you want to restore the backup from this account, you need to be logged in into this account. And now simply click on restore. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, as you can see now, the 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Simply click on the next. In here, you can type your profile info. And here you can type your name. So now simply click on the next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages have been successfully restored, including the videos and photos. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.